Kyle! I'm sorry, buddy. What's up, guys? Welcome to opening day Keystone. It's so sick. There's so much open right now. I mean, it's just school bar, but I mean, it's a long run. And this is our second run so far. We're killing it. It's getting a little busy this Saturday, but we're gonna make the most of it and keep stacking some clips.
Madness, let's get it, Jonathan.
So we have to give props to Keystone's new snowmaking equipment stuff that they put in. Like, it is so sick. The amount of snow, my buddy Sean flew his drone over here the day before the snowstorm, and they did not have this much snow. And that one 24-hour cycle, they were able to puke out all of Schoolmore in like one day. That was insane. These guys and the snowmaking equipment is sick. Also, the run's super fun too. Sadly, they don't got a park yet. I'm sure they'll put one in soon. Not this weekend, but I think in about a week they might finally put in a terrain park. So all the park riders, you gotta wait and chill for a second. The park is coming. Kyle's gotta fix his bindings on the bench, but that's okay because it gives us a great time to mention today's sticker shout out. We got Will Cook 23 rocking the white sticker on his board, looking sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, if you want any of our Evolution stickers, snag them while you can. We'll snag them. We can always snag them. And tag you on Instagram so I give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. There are some like colors and the Colorado ones and the Kiwi Volley ones that are limited, so snag those before it gets super busy. You don't want to miss out on a sticker. And yeah, just tag you on Instagram so we give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. So Kyle is the new Daniel, or the new Ben, or the new whoever has helped me film. Kyle's gonna be filming with me this season, which we're super stoked on. The one thing about Kyle is he doesn't participate in pizza.
Nah.
And Keystone's doing super discounted pizzas right now, so we're gonna go snag a quick slice of pizza, but Kyle's just gonna watch. Pizza! Alright, pizza was good, and now we got time for two more. No! That's why the run was so dead. Everyone's at the chairlift.
Yep.
That's rough. This is the first time we're gonna have to wait in line.
All right.
Good thing that was chipmunk. So you have two options. You can walk to the gondola, which I'm not gonna do, or you can go up and then download from the top of the gondola. That's more my style. I'm not trying to work even harder. Kyle! I'm sorry, buddy. Yeah, I'm good. Whoa. My friend tripped me on purpose. It's his fault.
Oh yeah?
That's so embarrassing, man. Why'd you gotta do that? Guys, we just ran into some of you guys from Team Buckhouse. We got
Luke Aiden. What's up, guys? I'm Will. Ryan.
and they're killing it today.
And Clark, your boy over there. Yes, sir. Clark's in the back.
Oh, we got Mike in the
go,
back.
Clark.
Hey, Clark. Mike Clark. Oh, you left me hanging. So the only downside, if you go up Montezuma and then down the gondola, you want to chairlift a lot more. Dude, I could not see you to save my life. You just blended in with the trees.
I was standing in someone's shadow.
Ever.
You got it.
Had to bust my way through. Alright guys, today was such a sick day, and a big part of that is because of Kyle, and Kyle's the guy who's gonna be holding the camera the majority of the day. We already said that, but he does have a YouTube channel, so please go check it out. Subscribe to Kyle, because the moment he has built an audience and can sustain himself on the internet is the moment he can go full time with me and re-rip every single day together. So check Kyle out, link in the description. Man guys, I hope you are as stoked for the snowboard season as I am. I'm super stoked. And if you are as stoked as me, make sure you hit that like button, share this video. That helps us grow. Everyone sharing is huge. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Our goal is to help you become the best snowboarder possible, and at the same time kind of show you guys what's going on in the snowboard industry and kind of creating our own lane. You know, doing this snowboarding YouTube full time is it's different for sure, but you're here, that's all that matters.
How is it?
Dude, it's good. Honestly though guys, for opening day Keystone, this was pretty mellow. This was by far the most mellow opening day I've seen in a while, and it might be because A Basin's technical opening day is today. They opened yesterday for 2 hours, but everyone in Denver couldn't make that, so maybe kind of split up the people going to A Basin. And yeah, I don't know, I'm stoked on it though, because it was fun. It was a lot of fun doing full runs, screaming down a mountain, doing tricks, and it's guys, the season is here. So I am now on my way down to Denver for the meet and wax. I cannot wait to meet so many of you guys, and if you didn't go, hopefully it was good. I mean, it's gonna be good. There's gonna be so many of you guys there. I'm stoked, but it's gonna be such a good time. Maybe we will do it again in the season. Maybe like once a month we'll do a meet and wax where you guys can show up with Michael the ski doctor and get your stuff all tuned up. So I'm stoked, cannot wait for it. So with that guys, as always, thanks for watching, keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new Mick.
Really getting in there, huh? The old surgical perspective.